what is a software? It's a very basic thing, but you have to understand it carefully. Exactly what it is, software. So basically, we know what a machine is. From the famous 3 example, machine is anything that reduces human effort. From parent की जिप से लेकर पेन की निब तक जो भी ह्यूमन एफर्ट कम कर रहा है, it's a machine. Now, when you take this machine, like let's say a wood cutting machine, it keeps on cutting the wood, and the only purpose it is cutting wood, and you can just switch it off and switch it on. It's a simple machine. There is no software. Now imagine you can now change the speed of this machine or change the angle through which it cuts using some buttons, uh, increase the intensity, etc., etc. Then now you are interacting with this machine. Software is something that enables this interaction. Given a machine, if as a human you are able to interact in any way through inputting something into the system or watching something, etc., etc., any type of interaction that uh, that is getting enabled to the machine is a software. Now, how is it getting enabled? What exactly is a software? So software is nothing but it's a set of lines, simple lines that have been instructions that have been embedded into the machine. That okay, when this button is pressed, do this. When this button is pressed, do that. It's just something which we have fed it into the instructions that are fed it into the system, and the system behaves exactly according to the instruction. That instruction is called the software. So software is a set of instructions that enables interaction with that hardware. That's all.